Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So if you guys haven't seen it yet, I did just post a video with my most recent unboxing from the Happy Planner for the back to school release. I'm just going to go through a more detailed unboxing, flip through, whatever you want to call it, of the accessories that came with the box. Let's get started. The first thing that is part of this release is the sticker book storage box. So this will actually be my 6th one from the Happy Planner, and it comes laid flat like this, and it's actually really easy to set up. So if you hold it up like this, it actually opens up like that. Take that out here, and then the bottom, I believe, has these stick and peel. So make sure you peel them, and that's what actually has to stick to the other side of the box to ensure that you don't have sticker books falling through the bottom. Why can I not peel it? Okay. So then what I would do, and there's actually, okay. So there's actually, I would rather, I'm trying to say this and I can't. So hold it flat like this over the bottom, and then just carefully put it down like so, so it's nice and straight, and then really just push it down to make sure that the adhesive will stick. Now you could always actually put a book or something on top to make sure that it does stick, but I wouldn't use it for, you know, a good couple of hours while the adhesive sticks there. But yeah, really easy to put together. So that is the sticker storage box. The next thing is this planner accessories pack, and this is made for the Big Happy Planner. So the first thing that you are going to see here, I'm actually going to take this out because I realize it's producing a lot of glare. So you get 2 sticker sheets, which I actually really like. So you've got appointment, today, remember. So it's not necessarily just teacher related. Anybody could use these stickers. But I do love those florals, and it looks like, yes, they're sized for the Big Happy Planner, but that shouldn't prevent you from using it in a mini or a classic. And then you also get this big bookmark. So yes, this is sized for the Big Happy Planner. I mean, you could certainly cut it down if you want to, but it's pretty just as it is. And then you also get this folder, so that pocket folder, and it's got the quote on the front that says, "We will look back and smile because it was life and we decided to live it." I could actually put this in my daughter's, school memories book from release last year. And then we've got some really nice note paper here, so dot grid on both sides. And I'm not sure how many pages you get with that, but it's actually a really cute little bundle here. And I think my daughter would love these colors, but I also think it's just good for anybody. It doesn't have to be a student or a teacher. This is just a really good bundle all across. So that is the planner accessories pack. Next is this pen case, and I'm just looking through all the pen cases that I've received from the Happy Planner. And this one, you don't attach it with the discs. You actually put it over your Happy Planner. So I'll show you with a Happy Planner like so. You can actually use the elastics and just place it over your planner like this, and it's got 2 functions really. It can help keep the planner closed, and you can keep your pen case right on top. So I actually really like that. But for me personally, since, you know, working from home, I don't leave the house that often, and, you know, due to COVID, I wouldn't probably use it for that. I wouldn't be carrying my pens around. I'd probably use this as like a little purse to hold my phone, my credit card, lip balm, things like that, and use it as a little purse. But I love that. It's really, really pretty. On to the next. Next, we have 3 bookmarks, and I apologize for the glare, so I'll hold them like this so that there is no glare here. So they are made for the classic Happy Planner, but you could certainly use them in a big, and you've got one that says Dream Big with rainbows and lightning bolts, and then one with the light pink with the gold foil sparkle stars, and then one that says Be Kind with the rainbow in it. So these are all really pretty, and I love getting bookmarks because I love having bookmarks in all of my planners. So I'm gonna see where I can use those. So those are the 3 bookmarks that I got. Lastly, I got 2 packs of filler paper. So the first is for the classic size, and it's got dot grid on the front and then dotted lined on the back. I really like how neutral it is with just the very simple design on the side. And then you've got the big filler paper that says all the things. It's a little bit more colorful on the side. And then you've got bullet points on the side here, and then on the back it says write it all down, and it is in dot grid with kind of a peachy pink color as well. So those are the 2 filler paper packages that I received. All right, so those are all the accessories that I've received. You got the Everyday Planner accessories pack, the sticker storage box, the 2 filler paper packages, the pen case, and the bookmarks. All right, I will leave an affiliate link down in the description below. These will be released, specified in the date down in the description. And if you actually check my Instagram or the Happy Planner Instagram, there will be discount codes that you can use upon release day. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.